Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys about the rotation in the weekly boutique on Dress to Impress. So right now, this is the weekly boutique set. It is the sparkling set. Basically, it is going to rotate in a few hours actually, and it's going to be the last set. This is what the set is going to look like. Ta-da! And after that set, there's going to be like the same weekly boutique items. So you're going to get this one, and then you're going to also get the Christmas set, and then the sparkling set again, and then the other set again. And it's going to just rotate one last time. So make sure you collect your currencies. You still have a lot of time. So just do that and you'll be able to get all the sets. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.